Alright guys, Sylvester Franklin coming to you live from the Maker Faire 2016 in Orlando. There's a lot of stuff here. That's pretty neat. Wow. So you mean all of these?
Yes, but basically we sell the printers.
Oh, okay. Wow. This 3D Potter? That is nice. Could you explain how it works?
Yeah, I use real clay with Cocoa tube and then extrude directly from the printer. That's why we can use pretty thick clay.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
And you can fire it up
And then you let it dry and fire it and then glaze it and fire it again, just like regular ceramics.
wow.
So is this machine something you designed or is this sold?
Yes.
So why do you have the platform moving versus the head moving? Is it just easier?
It's just simpler design. Because we started with the Delta, you know. It was like that, but no, this is just simpler.
And it's pretty accurate.
Yes.
So this just lowers and raises.
Very cool. 3D Potter.
I'm the creator of MakerPipe. MakerPipe is a connector system that allows you to build anything you want out of EMT conduit. Electrical conduit is a really inexpensive building material. It's steel, it's strong, but it's super cheap. You can get a 10-foot length for $3.50. So you can build whatever you want out of it, and it's really pretty strong. Our connectors couple with that conduit, and they go together like this around the pipe, and it's a squeeze fit, and with a nut right there and a bolt, you can make a strong, sturdy connection. And you can also cut the pipe very easily with just a normal pipe cutter. It goes around the pipe, and so you really can build without any power tools. It's a great system if you want to build something custom and it has to be strong. This is an option for you. We're currently on Kickstarter. We've been on Kickstarter for 4 weeks, and we have 1 week to go. We're funded, and we've raised quite a bit. We've been just so happy with the response and people's comments. So we've got a week left, and we're unlocking different connector designs as we go. This is the standard T connector. We also have the 90 degree that's available to our backers, the cross here, which joins two pipes in a vertical, and the last one, I hope we get to unlock it, is a 45 degree. So an angle like this that will, really be good for bracing and support. Really can make some great stuff. So if you're interested in making something custom that's strong and durable, check out Maker Pipe.
All right, thank you.
Thanks.
Ready.
So this is the Cool Spencer. We are the Thirsty Cooler Company. What we have here is an electronic beverage distribution system. On the side here, we have two 12-volt pumps. They're basically the same ones that are going to be in your refrigerator. Back here are two 7-amp-hour batteries powering the whole thing. Pop it open, and you have two 4-gallon liquid reservoirs. These can handle any kind of drink you want to put in them, from lemonade and iced tea, to water, to adult beverages. If you want to put some margarita in there, some Jack and Coke, anything along those lines. We're looking to put this into manufacturing within the next 2 years, put it onto either Kickstarter, get on Shark Tank, or ideally license them out to a company like Igloo or Yeti and let them do the heavy lifting.
Nice. All right.
Again, this is the Cool Spencer, and we are the Thirsty Cooler Company.
All right, thank you.
All right, no problem.
Hello, I'm Tom Smith. I'm one and only employee of Fern Creek Electronics. I'm a one-man incorporated company, been in business for about 16 years. My present project is developing a very small version of the SkyCam system that flies over a football field. It involves developing a system controller and 4 winches that control the length of the 4 cables that support the camera assembly. So that when the operator says move right, the object is that the winches increase the cable length or decrease the cable length, and the load moves to the right. And when it all works smoothly, it's a real satisfaction, and I hope it happens someday.
Oh, very nice. So is this one right here?
Right, that one's a little bit more complete.
Oh, okay.
That is 1 of 4 winches.
Wow, 1 of 4. All right. Thank you.
My name is James Aldi with Immersed in 3D. So we're here today to show you guys just some of the cool things we can do with 3D printing. We have some large-scale props. People are really interested in just seeing, some of the larger things we can do. You see over here we have a 3D printed Ultron mask, fully wearable. Really cool stuff. Full swords. So it's just fun, to see how big we can make it. I like to show people that we can do things in multi-pieces and glue them together. And then just discuss some of the finishing techniques, some sanding, some products we can use, methods and ways you can turn 3D printed parts into large-scale objects. That's basically it. Just here to kind of promote our services, show people that we can do 3D modeling, 3D printing, educational. We're working with some of the 3D printing companies around here to teach people about 3D printing and just ways to get involved in the community.
All right.
Thank you.
I'm Brian Dory, and I'm the designer and creator of Insert Imagination. Insert Imagination is a system of insertable plastic game components. And I apologize if I've been talking so much here at the Maker Faire, which has been great, but I'm losing my voice, so hopefully I'm speaking loud enough. But anyways, Insert Imagination is a system of plastic insertable game components in which anything that you can print and trim, you can then insert into the game components, which include everything from game boxes of different sizes to the spinners, which just accept the card, whether it's like a 4x6 or a standard poker size card. 2 sleeves for tarot size cards, poker size cards, and even weird like square cards. There are game board tiles, which you can see in one of the games I've designed, Microboards, uses the game board tiles. You just print off a sheet of paper and insert it directly into there. These are also dry and wet erase compatible. And then there are also all kinds of pawns and tokens and counters of all different sizes to fit in 1-inch grids, to fit in hexes, 3/4 inch or half-inch grids. So there's basically almost every kind of component is now an insertable type component. Anything you can print and trim, you can now put in there. It's great for prototyping, making your own games, great for print and plays, replicating old games that are no longer in print or anything like that. Of course, you gotta have all the intellectual property rights in order to do that, so make sure you stay legal. Couple of, that's good, I think, right?
All right. Can you explain it to me?
So what you're seeing here is the picture we took with an Android pad, and then over here we did the software. We did the edge detection, and we have a couple sliders down there where we can basically vary how many lines, the length of the line, etc. On the image. And then up here we have two stepper motors with fishing lines attached to them, controlling the carriage, which has a servo motor which lifts up and down the pen. And when the pen's down, it draws the image that's on the computer over there.
Wow, very nice. And these are some that are already finished in the background?
Yeah, we have some finished ones here in the background. We did this as a demo for our company because what we do is a lot of prototype work, getting people to market with their idea, and we can't always show a lot of the things we do. So this is a demonstration of what the four of us can do. We all have a robotics background. We're heavily involved with the UCF Robotics Lab and helped found our UCF Robotics Club. So this is a good project for us.
All right. And what's the name of your company again?
Alpha Proto.
Alpha Proto.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, it's coming out real good.
We get to eat out after this. Oh, we do? Yeah, so we're going to
Great. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Finished
product, guys.
Yay, we're going to fold it. Is that okay?
I can roll it up for you.
Alright, so what we have here is a CNC machine. Uses a router as the application. So unlike a CNC machine with 3D printing, this is more of a reduction in material versus an additive manufacturing. So these are just different pieces and projects. A lot of them just kind of scrap laying around that we brought here to demo. But different types of gears, photo programming. So we'll take a picture, import the picture, convert that to a vector file, and then from the vector file, choose the applicable bit for it, and then go and route out whatever the desired shape is.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
My name's Ben Willard of Ability3D.com. We're a company that's trying to get a 3D printing technology started where it allows individuals in their home or office to 3D print real metal parts on their desktop. Currently this technology is limited to metal machines that are about the size of a minivan, cost anywhere from $500,000 to $1.2 million, and use metal powders and lasers. Our approach is very different. We use a very simple raw material, which is MIG welding wire. The MIG welding wire is commercially available anywhere. We feed it into a MIG welder. The MIG welder then selectively deposits the material down onto the build platform down below. And after it deposits it, the resolution itself isn't super accurate, but that's okay, because we also have a tiny little bit right here that planes it very flat and also trims the contour of the part, every layer by layer by layer building up. And the result is we get a very, very accurate part right there on your desktop. We're doing a Kickstarter in January 2017, where we'll hopefully get this project launched with enough support from our fans on Facebook and Twitter. And with your help, we can help get this technology into everybody's home or office on their desk.
All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you as well. Appreciate it.
All right, guys. Well, I guess that is a close to the 2016 Maker Faire, Orlando, Florida. A lot of different booths here, different businesses, companies that showed up to show off what they do. And I want to give a thank you to all the businesses that contributed to the video. And next year, if they have it again here, we will be here.